we're going to Moab! Into ARCHES National Park.
Oh, we have to pee on rocks first.
I have to pee so bad. We found this landmark. And then also this landmark. That's where we're going. Yeah, fiery furnace. This is so cool.
Yay, let's do it.
Fiery furnace. Fire crust spotted.
Oh no, people have stepped on it.
Oh, see? Oh, this is not what you do. Oh, that's so sad.
I'm just like, you guys are longer than I am.
Our first marker.
I didn't actually expect us to see a marker. I was like, oh, we're going down a different path.
Yeah, I know. I was like the alternative path. Well, some people take this path.
Ooh, marker 3.
What about through there?
I think we'll just have to backtrack and find it.
All right, cool. Ooh, who's ready for the big squeeze?
The big squeeze.
Which is a little squeeze, let's be real here. Cool.
Watch the foot placement, bruh.
The whole thing's a trap. Oh, arm strength. Woo! Go team. I think we're all getting a little squeeze today. And we're liking it. I don't think we're good at going the right way.
We're good at going our own way. I don't want to do all that over again.
We're running now. All right, so over this rock and sliding down into this canyon. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh! Oh! That's how you do it. Who says it can be done in 3 when you can do it in 12?